Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies, Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, baby!
And I am doing a giveaway. But before I tell you about the giveaway, I just want to tell you a little bit about my plan of how to get here in the first place. And you think, you just do videos. Well, I actually done a lot of studying before I started making my videos 4 years ago. And when I started making videos, I was quite nervous. And now and again, I still get a bit nervous. Don't ask me why, it's just one of those things. Oh, by the way, I've got a new shirt on. Yeah, brand spanking new, just for this occasion. Right, so 4 years ago, or approximately 4 years ago, I said to my wife, I said, look, I want to start making videos on YouTube. And I said, the market I'm going after is a very tough one. Technology, home technology, stuff like that, computer builds, unboxing, anything like that, I want to do, at home, make videos, and that is probably the hardest market to get into. And also I want to do live streaming, whether it be for gaming, playing poker slots, anything like that, or playing actual computer games. I like doing things like that. And even just chatting, whether coming online to just chat to people, I want to do that. And she said, yeah, if you think you can do it. I said, well, I don't know if I could do it. I watched quite a few videos before I thought about actually doing it, and it is going to be a tough market. And I set myself a target of 4 years, and I said to my wife, it will take me 4 years to get 1,000 subscribers. If I can't get 1,000 subscribers in 4 years, I'll give up. All right? And I invested quite a bit of money, which, I shouldn't have done really, but I wanted to do it, and I've really enjoyed doing it. And I've bought things like a very expensive camera and lighting and all sorts of gadgets, computer components and loads of stuff to do unboxing and that. Things like the Stream Deck cost quite a bit of money. Computer desk that I built, and I made all these videos just to do that, just to try and get recognised on YouTube. And finally, I've got 1,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you people out there watching my channel. And well, I don't know what to say. I'm just really chuffed. I'm really pleased. Thank you everyone so much. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you also to all the people, I'm not going to name anyone, but thank you everyone that's done a shout out for me and got people to come to my channel. I do appreciate it, and hopefully they'll all stay as well and have a good laugh. Because we do try and do live streams most nights. I have a couple of nights off from live streaming, and we try and upload as many videos as possible. But I have a full-time job as well, and I'd love to do this permanently. I really would. And I thought to myself, 4 years, give yourself 4 years. So that would have been the end of August this year, which is 2020, in case you're wondering. 31st of August was when I started 4 years ago. So I made it early, which is brilliant, and hopefully I can make a lot more subscribers in the coming years, because I'm not young. And you think, oh, it's all for young people, but why should it be? It should be for whoever wants to do it. Give them all the chance. That's my plan. Someone comes along and says, oh, can you subscribe to my channel, providing it's something I enjoy watching and they're nice people, I haven't got a problem joining their channel. I'll subscribe to their channel, try and help them out, let them build up. So yeah, big thank you for everyone that's subscribing to my channel. And to celebrate, we are doing a giveaway, and it's an Echo Dot. This little baby here. It's not registered to me. I've already double checked just to make sure. I got this by mistake, and I did contact Amazon and said, look, you shouldn't have sent me this because I've already got it. But they said they sent me an email back. Actually, I phoned them up and told them over the phone as well, just to make sure. They said, not a problem, we'll send you an email confirming that it was sent to you by mistake and you can keep it. I went, oh, thank you very much. So it's not been opened, yeah, it's still sealed. I think it's a little bit torn somewhere, yeah, it's a little bit torn now. But I haven't opened it, it's still got a seal on it and everything, it hasn't been touched. And I'm doing this as a giveaway to anyone that's on my channel who puts a comment in the chat, on this video only. It has to be on this video. if you put a comment in the chat, you will get entered into the draw to win this. And I will post it to anyone in the world up to a value of £10. So I will pay up to £10 for postage. After that, if it's going to cost me more money, I will, if it's only a couple of quid, obviously I will pay it. But if it's going to be a lot more than that, you will have to cough up the money. But I think a tenner should cover the cost probably throughout the world. So I will post it to anyone in the world. It does not come with a guarantee from me. You would have to take it up with Amazon if you can get a guarantee if there's something wrong with it. I can't imagine anything being wrong with it anyway. It is made for the UK market, so it will come with a 3-pin plug. So you will have to change the plug out, but it should be a 3-pin plug, a USB lead, and plug it in. That's how they work. So, you know, if you've got a USB connection plug, it should be fine. It should be ready to go. So like I said, you will have to set it up. It's not registered to me. It's not registered to anyone. It's yours. All you have to do is win it. I've only got the one. I'm sorry, just the one. So that's it. So that is the prize. And like I said, all you have to do is put a comment in the chat below, and good luck. So with that, big thank you for everyone watching my channel and for subscribing and clicking that bell. I love you all. Thanks very much. You've made my day, made my year. I never thought I was going to get it. Well, I was getting there slowly but surely, and suddenly it got shot up due to the fact that someone gave a good shout out, and that person knows who it is. And yeah, brilliant. I'm really pleased. Thank you very much. So with that, I'll shut up now, and we'll get back to making other videos. Oh, don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Ching, ching.